Greetings, my little cousins. I need some bread, so I'm going to make some bread. But unlike some of the other breads I've made, which are like your traditional packet of yeast, you know, let it sit and prove for a bit and then bake it after a bit of kneading and such like, or my sourdough attempts, this is going to be a quick no knead bread. And this is going to be a spelt bread with hemp seeds. Now, you can, if you want, split it, 300 grams of spelt flour, 200 grams of whole wheat flour, or like I'm doing, 500 grams of spelt. So I've got my 500 grams of spelt flour weighed out. I've got 500 grams or 500 mils of lukewarm water, packet of dried yeast, and then I've got my hemp seeds. I've got 130 grams of them. You're going to need some sea salt, or salt, some cider vinegar, and to go on the top, some spelt flakes, which I haven't unfortunately got any spelt flakes on their own. I've got it mixed in with flours. Rolled oats, which I have got, or even quinoa if you wanted, quinoa flakes. We're using rolled oats. That's all you're going to need. We don't preheat our oven. We start from cold, but we're going to bake at 180 in a fan. And I've already greased my baking tin. So let's get started. So into my bowl where eventually I'm going to do all my mixing, I'm going to add that water, and then we're going to take our packet of yeast and sprinkle that in there. And then I'm just going to give that a little bit of a mix together so that yeast starts off. So then we're just going to put this to one side, and we're just going to combine some of the other ingredients, just leaving this yeast a little bit just to get it going. Like I said, 500 grams of spelt flour, and into that I'm going to add a teaspoon of sea salt. And then I'm going to add them 130 grams of hemp seeds, and we're just going to sort of roughly mix all them together until we're ready then to put that in the bigger bowl with the yeast and the water. And the only other thing to put in it will be our cider vinegar, which would be about 1 to 2 tablespoons. The rolled oats, or whatever you're going to put on top, they don't get mixed in, they're sprinkling on the top. In goes that flour and seed mix. And just going to give that a quick little mix together before we add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar. 1, 2. Now I'm just going to give that a good old mix together. So now we've done that, we can then add it to my well greased loaf tin, and I was going to say I was going to split this, but I think we'll be alright. And now I'm just going to take some of them oat flakes, and I'm just going to sprinkle some over the top. And then this, like I say, we're going to put that into the oven. We haven't preheated the oven, and then we're just going to turn the oven on, and cook it, bake it for about an hour. Okay, but we can do our usual checks to make sure it's done. And like I say, 180 fan, 200 non-fan, and then we'll see what it's like in an hour. Here's our finished loaf. It's quite a dense loaf, but actually when you look at the sort of the texture, it is a fairly open sort of texture. Very dense loaf. Take it out of the oven, let it cool for about 2 minutes in the tin, and then turn it out onto a wire rack. This is still a bit warm. I'm going to put it back on the rack in a minute, but I wanted to give it a taste. So here's the end bit. The hemp seeds in particular, but the crust as well, give it a nice crunch. Try it with a little bit of butter. Excellent. So, kind of loaf. You can have just a bit of spread, have a bit of jam, have it with anything really. There you go. Your quick spelt bread with hemp seeds.